Left off right there last night. I opened that figure. Constrictor. Alright, now I'm getting to work. I gotta clear my table off. Got the 81 Caprice out here and my 86 S15 truck to put the doors back on. We got some new gas hinges for the trunk of the Caprice. Gotta switch out a kick panel. The one that's in there is deteriorated. Just getting a second battery. New speakers in the dash. The trunk weather stripping at the end. I get a radio in it and the amp board made. I did just now get the old dinosaur of a 2-knob out of the dash. I need to sit down as I'm uploading this video and order RCA jacks, fuses, A&L fuse holders, remote wire, speaker wire, and maybe a couple other things. Copper 4 gauge and copper 0 gauge in terminals. Note to self. I get the door triggers on here. The new ones I ordered stick out further than the originals, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do there yet. I have the bushings installed. I'm ready to set the doors back in place. Once I get those door trigger switches on, then I can put the doors in place. Things settled a little better. Yes, sir. This Caprice. I did another one. This is one of my day one friends. So sorry, all you new guys that want some jobs started. I just can't do it right now. Doing my best to catch up with everyone else and myself. Probably gonna put the other battery right there. Looks like the excess battery might fit better there, but I hate to switch the factory one over to that side. Almost just want to do away with this and put the excess power. Think about it. See how it fits over there. Got to do the big 3 upgrade up front. It's just 0 gauge alternator wire and ground. Got the weather stripping finished on the front 2 doors. That's inner and outer window sweeps. The window channel run. Doesn't seem too good that way. Rubber that goes inside there. Yep. And of course the door jamb main seal. Missing a rubber piece there, it looks like. Should look like this one. Probably got dry rotted and broke off. I think I have a wire kit that those plugs will plug into, so I don't have to cut anything. If not, I'll order one of those also. I don't know if there's a mountain kit still available for this car, or if there ever was. I searched it last night, couldn't find anything, but I remember one back in the day. And in the trunk. I'm gonna end it right there though. I'll get in that trunk when I start doing the stereo. The amps. Alright, to the next one. Peace.